How to create an online course website with WordPress and Optimizepress is what I'm going to show you now. Hi, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks for tuning in to this video. So here we are at the dashboard, Optimizepress, and you can either create a single page, but it's better if we choose a funnel to use, as you get the thank you pages and payment pages and stuff like that. So we're going to choose funnels and then create new funnel, clicking there. There are different funnels to choose from: list building funnels, sales funnels, summit event, launch funnels, webinar funnels, and we can check out my funnels. You can also create a funnel from scratch, but I think it's easier to just show you the already created funnels that you can edit in any way you want. So AI is popular nowadays, but if you don't want to make a course about that, then just edit the page and turn it into however you want it to look. And you can preview the page by clicking this I button. But let's say we want to use this design, so we click on select this design. Then you give it a name, maybe just AI, just for the sake of making an example here. And I learn everything about AI. You can come up with any description you want, of course, and then when you're done with that, then you click on this blue button, create new funnel. First I want to show you this statistics that you will see when creating that funnel, choosing a name and so on. You will see statistics on all the pages in your funnels. You see it becoming the thank you page, the checkout page, and when hovering over each page, you will see a preview of the page. Yeah, here we have the landing page, and here you can click on funnel stats and settings and so on. But anyway, when you want to start editing your page, you just hover over here and click on edit here. You do that for each page that you want to be editing. Then you click on this, edit in Optimize Builder. So here we have the page to edit. It's in the edit mode, and here it says free download, elevate with a lot prompt list. Yeah, you can choose to have a free product just to build your list, or you can have, of course, a paid course, and you can have paid courses with recurring payment towards you. And here you can change anything by marking the text, for instance, here. Oh, now the whole text disappeared. I didn't mean to do that, but you can have it like this. There you can change the text like that, and different things you can change. And you can delete the whole section if you want. And here's the button. You can have this when you have connected your autoresponder to your follow-up series or autoresponder. I have done a video on how to connect autoresponders, for instance, in that case a webinar. And yeah, you can click this button. menu comes up, you can change the color and link this button to maybe to a offer, a sales page even, or yeah, you can link how to respond like I said. And this image, you just mark it if you have your own image of your course. Maybe it can even be as simple as a ebook. So yeah, then you can click on this image symbol here to change it if you want. The different settings of the image like that, and yeah, everything on this page you can edit however you want to do it, and add more sections. And when you're done with the editing of the page, you can just hit save. Here on the funnel dashboard, you can find it here on the funnels, and here's the funnel we just worked on. And every page you can of course edit. Like I said, we're going to go to the checkout page to check it out. About the last payout page where you get paid, you need to go to checkouts here to the left in the menu, and then you need to follow the steps. Click and follow the step. You can choose to have Stripe, or you can choose to have PayPal, and here you should fill out your business information, and you can set up your customer notifications and people opt in, and here's additional settings and Amazon and labels and translations. But let's now go back to the funnel dashboard. Let's check out the funnel we made. Here you can copy the link to the funnel's first page, and yeah, you can shorten that, and yeah, and you can direct the domain name if you want to look more professional. Otherwise, should click here and copy the link to it, and then you share it wherever you want to promote your new site. But would you like to get started with Optimizepress? Then click the link below. And even if you just want to know more about it, you can also click that link. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video and have a great day. Bye bye.